I'm just back from the market. I've gone shopping for few fruits and vegetables. Look here, what have I got? Fruits like pineapple, mango, watermelon, apple, orange and banana. And vegetables like carrot, cucumber, brinjal, potato, pumpkin, onion and lady's finger. Yes, here I am back again. Myself Purnima, coordinator of UKG from the Big Eye Group of Institutions. Yes, you must have guessed it right. Today I am going to take you through fruits and vegetables. Today's talk is about fruits and vegetables. Yes. I think you all like sweet, juicy fruits like mango, apples and bananas. And your mother prepares yummy curries out of vegetables like potato, carrot and lady's finger. Is your mouth watering? Yes, fruits and vegetables are very healthy food. Yes, fruits and vegetables are healthy foods. So, you are going to eat them and become strong. Yes, let me take you through few of the fruits and vegetables today. From where do we get all these fruits and vegetables from? Do you know? Yes, I am going to tell you. Fruits usually grow on trees. Yes, fruits usually grow on trees and vegetables grow on plants. But some vegetables grow below the soil. Where do they grow? Below the soil. And some grow above the soil. For example, vegetables like potatoes, onion, carrot, beetroots, they all grow below the soil. And vegetables like cabbage, peas, beans, everything grows above the soil. So, where do these fruits and vegetables are grown? There are large areas of land called as farms. Yes, large areas of land called as farms. And farmers grow fruits and vegetables for us. Yes, farmer grows fruits, vegetables, grain, etc. for us. They work very hard day and night to provide us with food. So, I'll tell you one more thing, children. Many children do not have any food to eat at all. So, do not waste any food. Will you? Yes. Do not waste any food in your plate. Okay. Now, I'll introduce to you few fruits and vegetables. Look at this. देखो कितना आम रसीला, छिलका इसका पीला पीला, लगता कितना ताजा है, आम फलों का राजा है, आम हमारा राष्ट्रीय फल है. Yes, indeed, mango it is. Mango is the national fruit of India. I'm going to repeat. Mango is the national fruit of India, loved by one and all. And be waiting for summer season to have mangoes, isn't it? Yeah. I think you all also wait for summer season to have mangoes. Yes, mangoes grows on tall trees. You know where do mangoes grow? It grows on tall trees. It is yellow in color. You get mangoes. This is ripe one. We get many varieties of mangoes, but mangoes can be had ripe one, and one more we have it in raw mango. What is it? Raw mango comes in green in color. It is little hard, but you can have it in various forms like chutneys, pickle, mango rice, etc. Correct? Your mother prepares any delicious pickles or rice out of it. Correct? Yes. Ripe mangoes, you can eat it raw. Correct? You can consume the whole thing, or you can have it in cut fruits. But many of you like it in the way of smoothies. Correct? smoothies, milkshakes, ice cream and mango cake. Yes, mangoes contain vitamin A and C and lots of minerals. What is it? Lots of minerals. It is a juicy fruit. If you touch the skin of mango, it's very soft. No? Yes, soft from outside. Inside, it is a fleshy, juicy fruit. It has a very big single seed inside it. When you eat a whole mango, can you see a single seed inside it? Yes, mango contains only a single seed. Yes, mango improves your vision, your memory card. It boosts digestion. It boosts immunity. It has lot of minerals and vitamin A and C. Next, I am going to tell you all. Can you guess the name of the fruit? It is long and soft and yellow in color. Yes, you guessed it right. It is banana. It is a long curved fruit with yellow skin, thick yellow skin, correct? It has a thick yellow skin but it is very soft inside with many seeds, correct? Bananas also you get in many varieties, children. Sometimes you can find even red colored banana, isn't it? Yes. Banana is yellow in color and its skin is very thick. It gives us instant energy. Banana gives us instant energy and it's a great source of vitamin A and C. It keeps your bones healthy and strong. What? It keeps your bones healthy and strong. Have you seen athletes eating bananas? Have you ever watched a tennis match? No? Whenever you get time, you just watch tennis matches. In between the break, players come and grab a bite of banana for instant energy. Correct? Yes, they do it because of the energy and for the bones. Bananas can be had in many forms like cut fruits, milkshakes and smoothies. Okay? Then the next one. Now I am going to all give you a task. What? Yes, task. You have to fill in the blanks. What are you going to do? Fill in the blanks. And dash a day keeps doctor away. I am going to repeat. And dash a day keeps doctor away. It is usually red in color. It's very juicy and it's very tasty. Yes, I know many of you are raising your hands. Correct, isn't it? Yes, it is apple. Yes, apple is available throughout the year. Even though it is a winter fruit, it is available throughout the year. It's very nutritious. Apple is a very nutritious fruit. It contains lot of potassium, carbohydrates and antioxidants. All these substances keeps our body healthy and fit. Have you ever tried apple jam, children? It's very yummy and delicious. Try it once, spread it on your bread and have it. They taste very good. You know, some people like to peel the skin of the apple and have it, but it's not good. All the vitamins stay in those skin. So, before you have an apple, wash it with warm water and eat it with the skin. It is very good for your body. Apple also gives a nice exercise for your teeth, no? You can chew it. Yes, it gives a very good exercise for your gums and teeth. Yes, but never eat the seeds of apple. It is poisonous. Okay? Never eat the seed of an apple. Okay? And next, let me tell you. Do you all know which is the king of the vegetable? Which is the king of vegetable? Yes, it is potato. Potato is the king of vegetables. It is brown in color. And as I told you earlier, it grows inside the soil. inside the soil. Potato gives us, it is an energy giving food. What is potato? It is energy giving food because it contains starch and carbohydrates. What does it contain? Starch and carbohydrates, and it contains vitamin B and C. What does it contain? It contains vitamin B and C. Potatoes are also a versatile food. What do you mean by versatile food? It can get easily into any kind of dish. That means you can cook anything out of it. You can have baked potato, mashed potato, fried potato, potato rice, and potato chips, and also French fries. You all love both these items, correct? Potato chips as well as French fries. So potato is energy giving food. It gives us instant energy. Okay? It improves your condition of hair, your bones, everything, children. Okay? Next, have you ever watched a cartoon of rabbits? Anytime? Tell me. What does rabbits like to eat? Yes, it is carrot. Yes, rabbit likes to eat carrots a lot. I know you all love to eat carrots, correct? It is a root vegetable. Carrot is a root vegetable. It also grows under the soil. Where does it grow? Under the soil. Carrot is very rich in vitamin A. Tell me, carrot is very rich in vitamin A. It's very good for your vision. Means it's very good for your eyes. Every day you can have one raw carrot in form of salad or whichever form you want. And the famous, your mummy prepares carrot halwas, right? We all love to have carrot halwas, correct? Yes. So, carrots are very good source of vitamin A. It's very good for your eyes. And one more thing, it is very good for your teeth and gums. It helps in digestion. Okay? Carrot produces saliva which keeps us safe from diseases. Okay? And the next vegetable I'm going to talk about, tell me any guesses? It's named after a part of the human body. What is it? Named after a part of the human body. Yes, it is lady's finger. What it is? Lady's finger. It is called so because it resembles our finger. Correct? It resembles human finger. So it is called as lady's finger. In India it is popularly called as bindi. What is it called? Bindi. But in some part of the world, other parts of the world, it is called as okra. What is it called? Okra. It is rich in vitamin B6, fiber and folic acid, and also it has calcium. Correct? You all love to have bindi fry, no? Yes? With chapatis, puris or rice, whatever you have. So, will you all have all have fruits and vegetables? What I've told you today? Like what all I've told you today? Apple. Okay, apple, carrot, apple, mango, banana, everything. So many fruits I've told you today, and vegetables also like carrot, lady's finger and potato. Now, we spoke so much about these fruits and vegetables. Are you all going to eat your fruits and vegetables? If you want to stay energetic and healthy, you must have it. Okay? Will you have it? It's very good for your health. Okay? By this, I conclude this today's session and I'll meet you all again soon. Take care and stay fit. Bye-bye.